Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us might encounter while working with environment variables. This problem arises when we have quite a large number of environment variables scattered across user variables and system variables, and we reach a point where we can't add any more. So, the burning question is there an upper limit on the number of environment variables we can have? Let's dive into the intricacies of this issue. In order to address the aforementioned problem, it's crucial to understand the solution. The totality of environment variables is constrained by a specific limit, which is 32,767 bytes. This limit pertains to the size of the environment block, a block that holds all the variables and is passed to any process from its parent. The environment block houses the variables in a byte stream format, where each variable is represented as variable value 0. Remember, if you find yourself hitting the 32,767 byte limit, you'll need to strategize on how to reduce the number of variables, their values, or even their names. Every byte truly counts when it comes to environment variables. For a more in-depth exploration of this topic, be sure to check out the Microsoft article on environment variables. In conclusion, we've delved into the intricacies of environment variables and the limitations that come with them. Remember, the environment block has a size limit of 32,767 bytes, so managing your variables efficiently is key to avoiding hitting this ceiling. I hope this video has shed some light on this often overlooked aspect of system configuration. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Every interaction counts. Thanks for watching, and until next time.